Ebusamino Kasai, John Dramani Mahama, the president of Ghana, has been exposed. Obekaya on the 10th September, Okoshia Press, no, the Tomonim say no mining license has been issued since I assumed office. President John Dramani Mahama. Mino Kasai, Sasam no kind, say na a entro, part, they say, Uchagana Funi Antro. Mino Kasai, the Oko, a Ghana mining reciprocity, any a minerals commission on website, on Sabeka Sankra Tayam Busa, with your gum screen, you so ever. Now, should date now from a year January to a year August, year a chairman. Mining lines are issued in Nano, El Honomoa. We are Mensaka, my Mendica and Bobo Bisu Mount, na share, and Tiway a year 5th of January 2025. No issue licenses, no ma Amaja Oil Field Limited. Omono Omo a year Buno Ahafo, Savannah region, Eastern region, in a Northern region, and Afe in the Western North region. Oshe Ebiomo so amu issue be ma a year Buebi Unique. Eeii Engineering Limited, Afei Jeduba Limited, Freight Consort Ghana Limited, and Jabrensuya Company Limited, Eeii Percy Engineering Service Limited, and the Adetebusuya, Oko Eeii Ghana Mining Repository, and I say Minerals Commission on website, on Sabeka Eeii mining licenses are issued from January to Eeii August 2025 year. On Sabeka Sadi Teosini na one match say. Asem wa His Excellency John Dramani Mahama beka say since oba no na aban no issue licenses and farm small scale mining no ade ya tro anyokro bia animu a he has been exposed. Excellency John Dramani Mahama as the president of the Republic of Ghana no etwan tro that the citizens are more mining because according to Ghana Mining Repository on website a minerals commission for the ano say from January to August they issue a licenses a small scale licenses bebre anya ba kunya menu nya so we ofa phone this na okọ ayom website Ghana Mining Repository on sabe ka some information na e wono ma kire say asma John Dramani Mahama be ka kire no e ntro you very sure say me na ka say here so wo media no so Facebook TikTok when who trending issue e kwa so e kire say His Excellency John Dramani Mahama in some of the 30th September 2025 Okoshia Press now the two monim say na by anybody no omo issue airlines self farm small scale mining no sa asem no e ntro am no ka say no oko Ghana can I say mining repository minerals commission for a website na information na yensa kan ho no e kire say nsema His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Ghana man panyine beto dwa say na by anybody no omo issue mining licenses bia no ya ade a enya no kre na se wo check omo page no so a obohu say since this government no ebaye no omo issue licenses bebre from a year January so currently October, so from January to a year August no omo issue mining licenses no bebre a me de beto school no so na ebusuya ye wura so this is a year 21st of January 2025. No issue sir a year license date way. Now I'm with my company friend is Zonda a year Zoni Track Assembly Plants. License type no air supports AA. Now I'm Ashanti, Greater Accra, Eastern and Western. I'm we so no I'm the ben so my Majesty Company and also a Greater Accra. Metals and Minerals Processing Limited and also a Greater Accra na for in Mostry a Geo Stroke Limited. So it goes on every brew just say busuya on issue licenses no a day amomo we no minerals a year commission government of Ghana licenses list no Ghana mining a repository just licenses on issue no Oyashos Mining Ventures Sondela Limited Mystic Mining Ventures Yanin Mining Ventures Miami o check here bon say license type no small scale mining no small scale mining we were at Nkregwa district we were Chimoda we so Takwa we were Chimoda Tachimoda no kwa the mines some issue niti no Mami Mining Ventures Chimoda Mami Mining Ventures Chimoda Yejin Mining Ventures and so Chimoda Yejin Mining Ventures and so Chimoda Mystic Mining Ventures and also Akimoda and so small scale mining licenses Zondele Limited and also no Takwa and also small scale mining Afraid Oyeshos Mining Ventures and also no Akimoda district Akimoda Afraid also no Irap Eeii company limited nso asenkregwa. So when na small scale mining licenses are issue e de ama eye galamsey for when so you see there are a lot of mining licenses are issue a oko website one mo a wonsa ebetimi iron aka when so the same way na. So this is what is currently trending on the media. Just say some John Dramani Mahama be kan say na ban no issue mining licenses bia no the kura bia anymore. He has been exposed that just ebusuya me di videos ne so ne other ways so be kan ho abetimi ahwa akọ Ghana mining commission and I say Ghana mining repository on website media no so betimi aka bi na we hunu de ekoso so no hono ma kire say nsemo a John Dramani Mahama Ghana mpanyini beto abontini nyina no enya de na no crash te busuya Ghana for no kire say adetna president no ebedi atro e de akire timamufo ne san say Ghana mining repository for website that says small scale mining license has been issued yet with doing this year this is what is currently trending now. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama has been exposed by a Ghana mining repository and a minerals commission on website that say this government has indeed issued. That is what is currently happening ebusuya enye asem ketua enso no hono ma ebusuya ye de mun sem ne bebre no e de brew resident so be subscribe to channel no e de amaye na uwie enso na so de bia make no turn on notification button na uwie enso wa like na wa kire wa dwen so comment section na nsem ye de beto dwa no yenso ye hu den ye wo so dwen e fa eye nsem a ye de ba beto dwa no send ye wo so hu no na yenso na yetimi de aboa e de wa command pinifo dan pinifo nso no ate nsem a e koso e wo media no nso no ase enti ne won se de make no ebusuya His Excellency John Dramani Mahama somebody beto dwa efa be small scale mining license no e ya de na enya no kore.
The NDC propaganda has been exposed. According to Ghana Mining Repository Minerals Commission, Government of Ghana, from the official website, you can see mining license that have been issued. You can see date started, license code, owner, company or entity the license was issued to, license type, status, and the region where the person was requesting to the license to go and work. You can see all these things. It's in the official website. Now look, you can confirm with the date. The date continues. You can see all these licenses were issued in 2025 under this government. Meanwhile, they have been telling us publicly that they have not issued any license since they assumed office. So who is this government deceiving? Continues. You can see. Continues. All these were issued under this government. But they said no, they haven't issued any license. You can see. You can see. See it yourself. This is evidence of this government and their lies. We as opposition will continue to expose them from 8th January. Going, see the licenses they have issued. Look at the license code. Company, entities. Look. License status, region. Everything. God have mercy on this.